Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Temple Terrace local, and long distance movers near me. Our long distance move is the best you can get anywhere. We have a team of movers that organize your move. Our professional movers handle your belongings with care. They arrange and label your belongings appropriately, then load them into the trucks. Our moving trucks accommodate and transport your belongings to your destination. Our drivers are experts. They have valid licenses to make long distance trips. We work with state and federal bodies in charge of long distance moves to ensure everything goes well. Your long-distance move is in capable hands when you hire us. Getting movers with 24/7 customer service in Temple Terrace is a big challenge. A lot of moving companies do not have standby movers and trucks. We provide fast and efficient local movers. We are well equipped to organize and execute your move with no stress. Our customer service is the best. We have customer care experts that are always available to attend to you. We also know all the minor and major routes and the fastest way to move your belongings. Our rates are very cheap. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. Once you contact us, we start work immediately and deliver satisfactory results. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Temple Terrace moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.